So now that you have everything you need downloaded and installed, you are going to first open OBS, and then you will open the Streaming Church TV client desktop app. And if you see the message OBS is connected, it means it's all ready to go and set up. And now you can open the mobile app on your phone. And here you can log in with your Streaming Church TV credentials. And once you log into the app, you will see the scenes loaded up here. So the scenes that you have created for your OBS stream session in OBS itself will appear on the mobile app, and you can even control the scenes from the app itself. If you have more than 4 scenes, you can scroll down to see the rest. And from here, you can also start and stop recording and streaming. So if I hit start recording here, it will update on OBS itself. And it works both ways, so if you stop the stream on OBS, it will update on the app as well. Same thing for starting the stream. And when you do start a stream, you will then begin to be able to see the OBS statistics. So all this information down here, dropped frames, how long you've been live, etc., will be available on the mobile app as well. And then on the bottom, we have 3 buttons. Reconnect is for reconnecting to OBS. If, for example, you were to close OBS and you didn't want to restart all the apps again from the beginning, you just reopen OBS. And then you do try again on the client app to regain connection. And then you do reconnect on the mobile app, and you should be connected again. The next button is View Stream, and this will actually send you to the web page with your live stream on it so you can view it. And the third button on the bottom is the instructions button, which takes you to the instructions on the website in case you need troubleshooting help. Then at the top, we have the log out button if for whatever reason you need to log out. And the cogwheel is where you go to view and edit your stream and recording scheduled events. And that's it for now for basic usage.